So my dear friends, now we will discuss about the passive structure of indefinite sentences. Indefinite means present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite. All the rules are almost same. We discussed about the rules and we will apply these rules in these sentences. Now we are gonna change one active sentence into passive sentences. Let's look at the example. I have written here, I write a letter. It's very simple. It is subject, it is verb and it is object. My dear friends, if the active sentence is having a transitive verb, then only we can change the sentences into a passive one. Now transitive means the verb which takes an object, and if the verb does not take an object, at that time we call it intransitive verb, and we cannot change intransitive verb into a passive one. That means intransitive verb cannot be changed in passive form. Only the transitive verb can be changed. So here this is the subject, this is the verb and this is the object. This is the verb and this verb is carrying this object. So this is a transitive verb and we can change it into a passive one. And my dear friends, this is the structure of present indefinite tense. I write a letter. Here the letter, I write a letter is the object here, so it will be changed as a subject, new subject of this sentence, a letter. Then a letter, it is the subject of this sentence and we have to use the to be verb. As it is present tense, we have to use the present to be verb. And a letter, we have to write down is, a letter is, then the V3 of the term write is written. Written, after that by, then this subject will be changed here. This subject will become the object of this sentence. My dear friends, you can see I is the subjective form and used as a subject in this sentence. That's why we have used I. But here it is being used as object in this sentence. So we have to use the objective form of this one. And we know the objective form is me. Just like this one, I changes into me, we changes into us, you remains same, he changes into him, she changes into her, they changes into them. From active to passive, if these are the subject in your sentence, we have to use this form. Actually, these are the objective form of these subjects, and that's why we have to use the objective form. And we have done the same thing here. So the sentence became, a letter is written by me. This is the passive form of this sentence. Now my dear friends, you can see this is the present tense, present indefinite tense. And if we write down, he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. So it became past indefinite tense. He wrote a letter. The sentence is, this is the subject, this is the V2, past form of the verb, and this is the object. So it is past indefinite tense. So here the rules are, all the rules are same. A later, at first we have to write down a later, and as it is the past tense, we have to use the past to be verb, that is was or were. Two past to be verbs are was or were. If the subject is singular, we use was. If the subject is plural, normally we use were. But if the subject is you, maybe singular or plural, that's not a matter, we have to use were with it. So here later is the singular one, so we have to use was. So a later was, then the V3, written, then by, then the objective form of this one, because this subject is going to be the new object of this sentence, and as we are using this one in the objective place, so we have to use the objective form. So the objective form is him. This became the passive. So this is the active sentence, and we changed it into the passive one. A letter was written by him. My dear friends, I think this is clear to you. Now let's look at the third one. She will. She will write a letter. She will write a letter. So here you can see, my dear friends, we have used this term will, and you know will is the future to be verb. So obviously this sentence is future indefinite sentence. So for this one we have to use the, we have to do the same thing, a later, then this will, future, we have to use the future to be, and we have to use will be. My dear friends, for any kind of subject we can use this one will. There is no such problem. This is accepted. So a letter will be written, the V3 form. I have told you in passive form all time we have to use the V3 form. We cannot use the past form of the verb. All time you have to use the past participle form of the verb. Now a letter will be written, then preposition by, and after that the new object, that means subject will become the object. Here subject is she, and we have to use the objective form of this one, and you know the objective form of this one is her, so we have to write down her. It became passive. So a letter will be written by her. So my dear friends, we did all the three indefinite sentences. We changed from active to passive, all these three sentences, three indefinite sentences. And my dear friends, if these are given normally in exams, if these are given, this passive form is given in the same way, just in the reverse way, we can change it into an active one. It is also possible. So my dear friends, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. And in the next video, we'll solve the continuous tense, that is present continuous, past continuous,